How to make cats stay away from your patio. Although stray cats are often harmless, many people prefer that felines stay away from their patios. Cats can eliminate near or on the patio, which is not only unsightly, but may put you and your pets at risk of intestinal parasites. Keeping cats off your property is a matter of making it inhospitable. Fortunately, you can implement a few techniques that will help keep cats away. Things you'll need: garden hose, citrus peels, cayenne pepper, flour, mustard powder, vegetation, motion-activated sprinklers. Squirt the cat with a garden hose whenever you see it come near. Cats detest getting wet. The cat will associate the unpleasant soak with coming near your property and will probably stop frequenting your patio. Surround your patio with ground grapefruit or lemon peel. Cats are not fond of the scent of citrus fruit. Creating a barrier of grapefruit or lemon peel around your patio is an excellent defense in keeping cats away. Sprinkle ground citrus peels in a line around the patio. The pungent scent of the peels will likely keep cats away. Replace the peels when they start to dry out. Mix 2 parts cayenne pepper with 5 parts flour and 3 parts mustard powder. Sprinkle a line of the substance about an inch thick around the patio. The strong scent of the components should keep out the intruders. Replace the powder as needed, including after rain or wind. Plant vegetation that is offensive to cats around the patio. Lemon thyme, geranium, lavender, absinthe and rue often work to keep cats away. Install them around your patio every 4 or 5 feet to keep the furry creatures off your property. Install motion-activated sprinklers around your patio. The sprinklers will turn on and begin to spurt water when they detect nearby movement. Cats will keep away if they know they will get soaked each time they come around. Tips: warnings. Motion-activated sprinklers are available at many hardware and home improvement stores.